Welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining about comparison operators and Boolean operators in Python. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon and please don't forget to like the video and please don't forget to share the video with your friends. So let me begin the explanation of comparison operators and Boolean operators in Python. So comparison operators. So as the name suggests, comparison operators compare two values and evaluate down to a single Boolean value, right? So for example, you can see here, so 42 equals to 42, it's a comparison operators, right? It is comparing whether 42 is equals to 42. Yes. What is the output? True. What is the output? True. So comparison operators, what it will do, it will take the two values. It will compare the two values and the result will be a single value, that is a Boolean value. So comparison operators always give the result in Boolean value. So the result is either true or false. You can see there here. 42 is equal to 42. Yes, it's true. So my result is either true or false. That is a Boolean value. 42 is equal to 99. 42 is equal to 99. No, false. You can observe 42 is not equal to 99. So what is the result? False. Hoping you are right. So now, what are the different types of comparison operators? So these are all the different types of comparison operators. That is equals to, not equal to, less than, greater than, lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are all comparison operators. So these can be used between any two values. You can compare those two values and give a result in the form of Boolean value. That is, result will be either true or false. So these are just an example. 2 not equal to 3? Yes, true. 2 not equal to 2? No, false. See, yeah, these all the comparison operators are used between two values, and the result is a Boolean value, that is either true or false. And the one more important thing is the equal operator and the not equal operators can actually work with values of any data type. They can work with any data type. Which operators? Equals to operators and not equals to operator. It can work with integer also. It can work with floating point also. For example, 42.0 equals to 42. Yes, it's right. 42.0 is float, 42 is int. That is possible. So equals to and not equals to works with any data type. Yeah, you can see hello is equal to hello. True. Yeah, it's a string. Hello is equal to hello. No, it's false. So what I'm trying to say is it can work with integer also, or it can work with float also, or it can work with string also. Which operators? Equal to operators and not equal to operators. You can see this example. Dog not equal to cat. Yes, it's true. It is a string. What? It is a character. It's a string. Hope you are understanding. So this can work with string also. This can work with integer also, or this can work with float also. See, 42 is equal to 42.0. Yes, 42.0 is a float. 42 is an int. So equals to or not equals to work with any data type, right? But that an integer or floating point value will always be unequal to a string value. For example, 42 is equal to 42 that is enclosed within the quotes. No, false. Why? 42 without the quotes is an integer. 42 with quotes is considered as a string. That is the meaning of this. The integer or floating point value will always be unequal to a string value, right? So equals and not equals only works with equals and not equals works with any data type. But see, the equals, the lesser than symbol, the greater than symbol, lesser than equal to or greater than or equal to symbols work proper only with integer and floating point values. You can't use string values with this operators, that is lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to, lesser than or greater than. For example, see, right? So so this one I already told you, right? So this quotes are in the string. The 42 within the quotes is a string. 42 without the quotes is an integer, right? We will see some more example that this these operators only work with integer and floating point values, that is lesser than, greater than. See 42 less than 100, true. It's true, right? Can you use this less than symbol in a string? No, it's not possible. I told you, right? It work only with integer and floating point values. Vishesh lesser than Vishesh. No, it's false. Egg lesser than egg. It's false because egg is also string, another egg is also string. False. See, hope you are understanding. Okay, right? So egg count lesser than or equal to 12. Yes, it's true. It's true. Because one is string and one is, sorry, it's not a string. It is not a string. It is not a, not in a quote. For example, see, the comparison operators to compare a variable value to some other value like count lesser than 2 is possible. Is possible. So you can compare variable values. Not directly you can compare a string value. Wishes is equal to wishes is not possible because it's string. But one more variable values can be compared. It is possible. Variable values can be compared to other values. For example, count lesser than or equal to variable value. That can be done. That is possible. Okay. And what is the difference between the equals operator and the assignment operator? This operator equals to, it asks whether two values are the same as each other. That means it is acts as a comparison operator. Which one? Double equals acts as a comparison operator. Single equals acts as a assignment operator. It is going to put a value on the on the right side variable. For example, sorry, it puts a value on the right to the variable on the left. See, 42 equals to egg count. Egg count is a variable, 42 is a value. It is going to assign the 42 to the variable egg count. So this is assignment operator. Which one? Single equals. But double equals, it is going to compare whether the values are equal or whether the values are not equal. So it is going to compare. There is a difference. Double equals is used for comparison. Single equals is used for assignment. Hope you are understanding, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay. Next, comparison operator completed. Now we will move on to the Boolean operators. As the name suggests, right, there are three Boolean operators. The Boolean operators are and, or, not. So mainly these are used to compare the Boolean values, right? But in Boolean operators, we have binary Boolean operators. Binary means the and or operators always take two Boolean values. How many Boolean values it will take? And or operators are binary Boolean operators because it will take two values. It will take two values and it will compare. But not operator, it will take only single value. That's why it is not a binary Boolean operator. Not is not a binary Boolean operator. So which are the operators that are binary Boolean operators? And or are the binary Boolean operators. So three Boolean operators are and or not, but binary Boolean operators are only and or. Not is not a binary Boolean operator. Okay. Now we'll look into the AND operator first. The AND operator evaluates an expression to true when is the result is true means if both the values are true, then only the result is true. Otherwise, all the other cases evaluates to false. All the other cases evaluates to false. For example, we will see the truth table. See, if both the values are true, the output is also true. All the other cases false. True and false, false, false and true, false, false and false, false. Okay. See, you can see the output like this. We can use the Boolean values like this: true and true, yes, true. True and false, it's false. See, and keyword, we are using a and operator in between this expression. So this boolean value true is also considered as expression. You know that already, I explained that in the previous videos. Okay, next, or operator. Or operator evaluates an expression to true if either of the two boolean values is true. If both are false, it evaluates to false. In simple words, if both the values are false, the output is also false. All the other values are evaluated to true. See the truth table. A also false, B also false. The output is also false. And all the other values evaluates to true. True or true, true. True or false, true. False or true, true. False or false only evaluates to false. If both the values is false, the output is also false. Others are going to evaluate as true. So for example, false or true, true. False or false, false. If both the values are false, the output is also false. All the other cases will be, the output will be true. Okay, guys? Not operator. So not operator operates on only one Boolean value or expression. It operates on only one Boolean value. As the name suggests, the not operator simply evaluates to the opposite Boolean value. What is the meaning of it? If the not value is true, the result will be false. If the not value is false, the result will be true. Reverse, exact reverse. What you are going to give the input, the output will be the exact reverse. If your input is true, the output is false. If the input is if the input is false, the output is true. And you can nest the not operators. That means you can group the two or more not operators. It is possible. We will see this in the example. See, if your expression evaluates to not true, the result is false. Not false means the result is true. This is the reverse. Not of true is false, not of false is true. Exact reverse. See, and one more thing I told you, you can nest the not operators. Not true. Yes, it is possible, but the output will be displayed as true, not as false, because it is nested. That's why. But it is possible. You can nest the not operators. You can group the not operators. Now, this is the one more extra thing. You can mix the Boolean and comparison operators. Yes, it's possible. So far, we have studied what is the comparison operators, what are comparison operators, and what are Boolean operators. Can you mix both? Yes, it's possible. So you can see 4 less than 5 and 5 less than 6. 4 less than 5 is a comparison operator. 5 less than 6 is a comparison operator. In between those comparison operators, I am using a Boolean operator. And 4 less than 5, what is that? 4 less than 5, true. 5 less than 6, true. True and true is what? You have studied the truth table. If both the values are true, output is also true. So the output is true. So in this way, I can mix the Boolean and comparison operators. And how it is going to evaluate this? Well, mix the operators, how your computer is going to evaluate this? The computer will evaluate the left expression first, and then it will evaluate the right expression. First, it will evaluate the 4 less than 5, and it will evaluate the 5 less than 6. Then it will compare both values using a OR operator. See, 4 less than 5, true. It evaluated the first. Next, it evaluated the right. Then the final result. Getting my point? So computer will take the left expression first, then it will evaluate the right expression. See. And one more thing, we can also use multiple Boolean operators in an expression along with the comparison operators. Here in these cases, we are using only one operator, one Boolean operator. What is that? And. Not only that, we can use multiple Boolean operators. It is possible. See this example. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and not 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 2 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. See how many operators I am using here? Three Boolean operators, and, not, and. So in this way, You can mix the boolean, multiple boolean operators. You can use the multiple boolean operators. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you understanding the concept. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.